नमस्ते योगीज, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप यू आर डूइंग वेल, राइट? सो today's tutorial is all about Kapotasana and I'll show you many ways so that you can do it in your way. काफ़ी तरीके से मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी और जो आपको सही लगेगा आप वैसे प्रैक्टिस करिएगा. But before going to start the asana, I would like to tell you that you need to warm your back up well, right? अपने बैक को बहुत अच्छे से वार्म अप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है because it is a little bit advancing back bending pose and don't worry about it. Keep practicing, you will definitely achieve it, right? So I will let me tell you some benefits of Kapotasana. This is very good for our lower back, our spine. Even it is very good for our lungs as well. It actually strengthens our entire wrist, right? So it is a good massager of our entire spine, our lower back. So let's start. So first we would like to tell you that the first warm-up series we will start with camel pose. Camel pose के साथ जो उष्ठासन के नाम से जाना जाता है उसके साथ ये हम स्टार्ट करना चाहेंगे. So let me tell you that how to do ushtasan first, right? So let's start. In which you have to separate your legs. The way I am keeping my leg, you have to separate your legs, shoulder length. See, there should be the same gap, okay? Here and in front, it should be the same gap you have to maintain. And just from here, you have to place your both the thumb exactly both the sides of your spinal cord, right? This is your spinal cord. You have to place it exactly here. And just from here, squeeze your shoulder blades, shoulder girdle back, and inhale. Push your pelvic forward and look back. Hold it there. Let me show you this way. Inhale. So we will go and I'll show you that we'll do it one arm first and then the other arm. We'll hold 5 seconds each side, right? So inhale, hold it there. One arm, try to touch to the sole of your leg and hold. 1. Push your pelvic forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. Other side, inhale, maximum, push forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, child pose, inhale. Just from here, we'll do with both the palm now. Okay, Purnusthasana, inhale. Exhale, try to catch there and push your pelvic forward. Hold it 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yogis. So if many people, what happened when they perform Ushthasana, right? They actually tilt back while touching their leg. They actually tilt back. The entire balance goes back. This is wrong, right? So how you will understand that whether you're doing right or wrong? आप कैसे समझेंगे कि आप सही कर रहे हैं या गलत कर रहे हैं? So just try to come closer to the wall, the way I'm coming right now, and from here try to lean against the wall, right? And just from here, what you have to do, inhale, one arm here and the other arm there, and try to push your body forward. Okay, don't lean backward. Forward and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yogis. So now our back is a little warmed up, right? So अभी हम उष्टासन के तरफ चलते हैं. Sorry, Kapotasana की तरफ चलते हैं, right? So in which you have to take the same measurement again, the shoulder length gap. I would like to tell you that I'm going to show you first with the wall, then with the brick, and then without anything, right? Without any prop. So keep your legs shoulder length apart. Inhaling, same way, and you have to hold 90 degree back hold, okay? So breathe, inhale, hold 90 degree. Push your elbows forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Okay. While touching the wall, just try to straighten your elbows. Okay. Push your body forward maximum. Okay. So one last time. Now we have to hold 90 degree again. One last time. 5 seconds. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now, I'll go exactly here. I'll try to touch my palm exactly on the mat. So you have to walk with your arm and you have to hold there for 5 seconds. Okay, breathe, inhale, exhale, inhale, walk. And hold it here. Try to straighten your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale. Okay, you guys, child pose a little bit. Forward bend is important as well. Okay, so now I'll show you with the help of the brick yoga block, right? So what you have to do, this is a passive way. Just many people, what happens when they try without the wall, when they try, right, when they try to go back, they might kind of a fear that they might fall down. डर लगा रहता है कि पीछे शायद वो गिर जाए. So try to do passive way first. इसे हम सुप्त वज्रासना भी कहते हैं, उसके थ्रू भी हम जा सकते हैं कपोतासना में. Okay, so I'll show you with the brick so that you can get a height मिले आपको अच्छे से, ठीक है. So देखिए क्या करना है. लेटिए, lie down straight on the mat the way I'm lying down right now. So what you need to do, inhale. See, you have to place the brick this way, okay, this way, exactly on the sacrum, okay. So you have to understand where your sacrum is, okay. So what you have to do, lift your hip up maximum, see, up, maximum up, and just from here adjust the brick here, okay, on your sacrum. So it's exactly a little above your tailbone, okay. So inhaling, straighten your arms first and rest yourself for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what do you now do? Supta Vajrasana, Supta Virasana. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to just place your one leg this side. Okay. Same other side as well. Try not to fall your brick down. Okay. So adjust your leg, and as you are adjusting your leg, you may see that your knees are a little up. पैर ऊपर है आपके, थोड़े से आपको दिखेगा. So what you have to do? You have to push your body balance forward. Try to adjust your brick and push your body balance forward. Okay. So now I am getting a stretch here. Okay, and my lower back is up. Okay, I am joining my both the knees from here, and just from here I will go to Kapotasana. Right? How? You have to place your palm this way, the way we do Chakrasana, right? You have to place your palm this way, both the side of your ears. Inhaling, lift up. Walk in and just catch your leg and hold it here. Slowly relax. Sit on the brick, relax yourself. Okay, so just child pose is very important. Press your back a little bit. Yogis, now we are ready to perform Kapotasana without the help of the wall and any kind of a prop, right? So let's start. So breathe, inhale. Remember, when you go back, don't close your eyes. आप जब पीछे जाओ, कोशिश करिएगा कि आंखें बंद ना रहे. Okay, so inhale, legs apart, shoulder length. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Push your pelvic forward, okay? Maximum forward. Breathe. Walk in. Try to catch your leg. Place your elbows. Hold it. And relax. So you guys now do child pose for 5 seconds. So join your big toes back. Okay. This is a counter one. It is very important to do the counter one as well. So just breathe. Stay 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you guys, hope you really like the tutorial, right? I have shown you many ways. So whichsoever is comfort for your own comfort zone, right? So do try it and do comment as well. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे, जैसे भी आपको सही लगे आप करिए. And if you have any suggestions, do let me know as well. Really thank you for your valuable time. Thank you. Stay well.